Good morning, everyone. Off-grid island family, Bohol Island, Philippines. And Vincent has discovered what is it, Vincent? And now lunchtime for us. Sinigang?
Yes.
Yum.
Our
You guys
favorite,
get the sea creatures, yeah?
Huh?
You guys get the sea creatures?
Yes.
The ocean bugs?
Stop saying that.
Hey, not done, huh? How is it?
Lance.
Yeah? Is it syrup today like it was yesterday?
Yep.
Same?
Same, sarap.
Same syrup? Okay. Good. This technician from Cebu for the injection pump. I guess the starter's installed. Where's the electrician? Oh, okay.
Finish the start.
Okay.
We'll finish that.
Ray, battery's 100%? Yeah? Okay.
Almost 101.
Well, you can't see it, but there is a green ball inside of there saying that it's okay. Had removed the transmission fluid stick and the fuel filter to get to the starter bolt. And after this, Jaja has an ice cream thing for the kids, sponsored by Eric Pourrier. So, very, 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 very cool. He's also sponsored Mira's next birthday, which is awesome. Birthdays around here are like the most important festivity. So you can do rewiring on the whole Pajero.
We buy new harness
Uh-huh.
and install
Uh-huh.
all.
I think all the back is okay. It's just here because of the heat. E-net. Very cracking and dry. So you can do a front harness. Do you know price? Pile?
No idea?
No idea, but you can do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Because all of this, like all the sensors, there's many, like this, the sensor for the fuel filter down there, wala wiring, wala wires, no wires. No wires. Many sensors. The thermostat here.
Water.
Yeah, the water sensor. All the air conditioning relays.
You
All over here.
Harness.
Yeah, and you install.
Install the part.
Okay, that's the next project. Next problem, yeah. But the good thing about, you know why I buy this? Mechanical, no computer. So it's fuel, heaters, and start. Easy.
Easy start. This now.
Yeah.
Sakit.
I drove this for 2 years by charging the battery, no alternator. Only charge battery.
2 years?
For 2 years, yeah. Because the alternator's mahal. So I charge the battery and then I drive 1 hour and charge and drive and charge.
Hindi na din mo charge ni yung alternator ani sa isang battery.
Before, not now.
Before, not now.
Now it's new alternator.
Palitan na yan.
Gipalitan na nimo.
Yeah, new alternator.
Mahal.
Mahal, yeah.
Bago.
Bago.
Oh, what is bago?
Mahal?
New.
Oh yeah, bago. New, yeah.
New is bago.
New is bago, yeah, that's right. I remember now. And isa.
Isa.
Wait.
Pisa.
Isa.
Pizza.
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 Pizza is
Food.
Meaning of mahal is more. Daghan. Mahal is love.
But also expensive, right?
Expensive.
Love is expensive, yeah?
Expensive, John.
It's your flip-flop?
my slippers.
Pad Thai?
Patay. Guba.
Gubak?
Oh, guba.
I need to remember that one. Gubak.
Oh, guba.
That's a good one to remember.
Guba is broken.
Yeah.
Ay, natin, mga wire, boss. Ano na?
Temporary.
Temporary sa dayon.
Oh.
Permanent.
How long? How long?
I don't know.
2 weeks.
Maybe
A week or two?
2
2
weeks.
weeks, 2 weeks or 1 month. Start. We start.
Oh, okay.
Start ah.
Much better.
Para. Ay perminti ha kay makuan lang.
Wow.
Wow.
Life.
Start.
It's alive.
It's alive.
Go.
Wow. Let's check for blue smoke. No blue smoke. Yay. Oh, a little puff. Yeah, it's got to clean out though. Wow, listen to that. Yeah, it sounds good.
It's alright. It's alright.
Test drive now? Okay. I guess the technician comes with me, yeah? Or he will drive. Wow.
Sakay mo tanan ba, Dr. Carmen?
Tidak.
Propaganda ro.
Dala Jis, unsa ba sis?
Hey, look.
Mm.
It's better than original.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Much stronger than original.
I believe it actually, yeah. Probably is. Just goddaughter. Alicia.
Say hi.
Hello.
Bagong mata.
Well, got a little too excited there on the blue smoke thing. Still have some
What time for a tin oil?
puffing at idle, but at speed it doesn't smoke. Huh?
What time for a tin oil?
Not long ago. I think it was when we did the head gasket.
Tin oil?
Yeah, not long. Why?
Long?
No,
No long?
not long. Why? Yeah, that's normal.
Eh, 1.15 ko no? Yeah, 1.15.
Hindi, basiyo pa na doon kalinya ra ba? Kaya di.
Ah, sige. Tira na, tira na.
Sige.
Sa.
Basiyo pa na doon kalinya.
Alright, so he readjusted the timing, hoping to get rid of this blue smoke puffing here. It's only on idle. Any ideas on that? And it's irregular, it's not constant. It's like just puffing a couple times now and then. There's piston rings, it should be all the time, consistent, right? I don't know, you guys tell me. There's gotta be some diesel experts out there. Maybe like that, nothing. Nothing, and then puff, puff, and then nothing. Puff, puff. Nothing. Turning down the idle, I guess. Seems better, actually. Huh. Yeah. They just turned down the idle. I don't know what that means. That's weird. Okay, now it seems to be gone, basically. No more. It's okay. Well, I think we're getting close to a test drive now. He's still doing calibrating on the pump. Now checking idle. I think idle should be 800 normally. Okay, so normal idle's 900. I was thinking 8. No, normal's 900.
Advance.
So connecting the cables now.
And automatic 1000 is okay.
And with air conditioning too.
Yeah.
Accelerator cable, and the one with the orange on it is the transmission here, kick down. All right, first time in I don't know how many months, 6 months maybe. Do a test drive with the tech. Successful test drive, it runs great. So now we're just gonna give it a little more fuel and a little more turbo. I've already come out 2 clicks on the controller here. 1, 2, 3. So 1, yeah. That's closed. 1, 2, I'll start with 2 actually. He's gonna give it a little more fuel and see if we can get just a little more power out of it, but we're not gonna push it. I've learned my lesson, guys. I've learned my lesson. It's an old diesel. You can't try to get 500 horsepower out of these. But great news. No smoke anymore. So yeah, she's running well. Got to get some air in the tires, change the engine oil. Power steering oil needs to be changed because that too was mixing with the power steering fluid is mixing with the engine oil because of the gasket leaks and the etc. So for those who haven't seen, here we've got our temp gauge. This is exhaust gas temperature, which should never go over 7 for more than 10 seconds or something like that. I never let it go past 6. And then we got our trusty boost gauge here. Running 82 degrees. No boost, but we're going downhill. So in a second here, I'm going to show you guys a boost test. And I want experts on the Mitsubishi 2.8 liter to give me their opinion if this is good or not. Previously I boosted this thing up to 2, I think I got up to 2 bar before. That's probably part of the reason for the head gasket. Well, there's several reasons why the head gasket went bad. But obviously overboosting is one thing that can lead to so, hold on once. There we go. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to do a start boost test here. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I'd rather just show you than talk about it. So we got 1.5 bar, or just slightly under. And I can control that obviously with the accelerator pedal, so I don't need to always go, you know. But it maxes out at 1.5. My question is that okay? For the head gasket and all. Alright guys, construction. Okay, total success. No more smoke, no more hesitation. Normal power, plenty of power actually. It's running and driving excellently, if that's a word. And pushing 1.5 bar boost. So just waiting to hear from the pros out there. What's the max boost you should run on a 2.8 liter 4M40 turbo diesel engine? I'm pretty comfortable with 1.2, 1.3. I don't know if 1.5 pushes the envelope as far as the head gasket goes. It has a carbon, by the way, it does have a carbon type head gasket for whatever that's worth. Okay, good job.
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.